What's that? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Cynthia. I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information that you will not find anywhere else.
Hi, Cynthia. You're back to play with me.
Hello, Doug.
Hello.
How are you this morning?
Oh, you're my actress now. I forgot.
Yes. Anyway, let's get into Li Wang Chuan, emerging products and applications in the life
This
sciences.
is like Madonna 5 minutes after she started dating Guy Ritchie. Do you remember the MTV Music Award when all of a sudden she had the bad British accent?
Shaf Yousaf, Division President of Applied Biosystems, ABI, announced the next generation in key solid differentiators, which will include ultra-high throughout.
You push the table up. I can't see the whole thing.
You're messing up my accent here.
I know.
All right, I'm back to New York.
Listen, these guys, you get a chance to make some money here.
Okay, can I read it so
Go
people
ahead.
know?
Go ahead.
Variable make pairs, 0.6 to 10 kilobytes. Scalability, 2 slides. Sample multiplexing and accuracy of 99.94%. Expect a large growth in market dollars in the next 5 years with gene expression, gene regulation, and short read spend.
Are you happy now? No, I'm going to tell you how you make money. These guys are being bought, and they're like $36.90, and they're being bought for $38 a share.
So how is your money doing since you haven't spoke about any of your portfolios?
I mean, boodles.
Boodles. Okay, good for you. I'm surprised, because usually you're like bragging. Yeah, I'm making this.
I'm telling them how they're doing it.
All right.
This one, these guys are being bought for $38 a share, and they're at $36.75. This is a pure arbitrage play, but right now, difficult market, and you can pick up $1.25 a share on $36.25. There's 3% for you in like 60 days.
Let me ask you a question.
And it's a done deal. It's already been approved and everything else, right? Here you are, Uncle Doug. Ho ho ho.
It's not Christmas yet, but let me ask you a question.
It's Christmas every time I get to see you.
I have a couple stocks that have like meetings and stuff, and I guess that they've been sending me stuff where I need to vote.
Nah.
And I'm not voting, and they actually called me on the phone. Do they actually need my vote to move on? Like, am I holding up annual shareholder meetings?
You have probably driven them into the ground.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I have little money there. You mean my vote actually matters?
It does. Everybody's
because they called
vote
me.
matters.
They can't move forward without my vote?
Right.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not serious. But it's important, and a lot of times they'll hire investor relations companies to follow up with people and make sure they get all the votes in. Especially if there's like any kind of like a proxy battle or they're replacing board of directors. Yeah, they hire companies and they call every shareholder.
Oh, gosh. Oh, okay, gosh. I'll go on today. All right. I've been like leaving them hanging for like a month. They called me the other day. And they're like, did you get something in the mail? I was like, yeah, I threw that out. What is it?
I do too.
From like E-Trade. I'm like, what is this crap?
You have 700 of these. Yeah, get out here.
I mean, you don't leave me alone. I got a life. I'm not, I didn't have to be on the board. I just asked to take a cut. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Stephen J. Lombardi, President and COO of Helios Biosciences, or ticker HLCS, announces a collaboration with City of Hope Cancer Center and Children's Oncology Group to conduct studies of the primary tumor and the tumor after the first treatment in pediatric cancer patients for better analysis and understanding of gene expression and epigenetics.
That was a pretty cool guy. He's the one who said, I've been doing DNA since we did it by hand. I've been making DNA by hand.
I love that.
That's pretty neat, right?
There is a way to do it by hand.
You think you can cook? He can make DNA.
Do you know how they do it?
No.
They have a gel and you have to put it in. I inserted. I did it.
No, that's how you get a test. That's not how you make it. That's
he's making DNA.
Yeah.
I thought he meant he was making a test.
No.
He makes DNA.
My DNA. I have a pyramid with my DNA in.
Pyramid.
Yes.
Or a helix.
No, I have a crystal pyramid that has enshrined my DNA.
That's so sick.
They gave it to me at one of the conferences.
Oh, what? How'd they get your DNA? Would they scrape your tongue?
I don't remember.
It's sick. They probably stole your glass. These are sick people you're dealing with. Sick people.
I know. I need to spend more time with you.
I just stole your DNA so I can make you this pyramid. Yeah, you're a freak. All right. Anyway, J.T. Flatley, President and CEO of Illumina, ILMN. Almost sounds like Lifetime Movie Network, pretty much. Anyway, announces...
With an I, like if they had an internet site.
Yeah. Internet Lifetime Movie Network. Did you time know about this? Illumina? I don't know. Anyway, announces the launch of the Genome Analyzer 2, GA2, which enables researchers to discover...
Look at this chart.
I'm looking at my notes, Doug, because I have information to make people intelligent investors. Okay, this chart looks... Oh, Illumina.
Look at that. Is that beautiful? Woohoo!
Okay, investors.
Investors, gorgeous
Intelligent
stuff.
investors.
And
Illumina,
they're selling 3.5 million more common shares to raise money, $87.50 a share, right? And they're still trading above that at $89.55. Goldman's managing the whole offering, and they didn't even say specifically what they're going to do with the money. And people are going to buy 3.5 million shares at $87.
You know what, Doug? Thank you very much for interrupting me. I'd like to get back so that we can get this in before the market closes, so people can maybe pick up some stocks. Okay.
Choppy chop.
Thank you. Choppy chop, so we can chop. Okay, Analyzer 2, which enables researchers to discover genomic variation, characterize all transcripts without any prior sequence information. Very interesting. And study the interaction of proteins and nucleic acids across the entire genome at 50 VPR. Another launch with the iScan designed to scan 6 times faster than before, allowing the faster results in DNA experiments. We need to have Stephen come on when we do these medical things and give his medical opinion in his very beautiful English accent. Well, Doug, I think that
when he's a doctor, when he's a real doctor. Okay.
Are you kidding me?
At the moment,
he's a leading pathologist at Harvard in Boston.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
He is a doctor. All right. Well, when you're a stock guy, here's Shout CEO of QueerGen, or
you just go back to your restaurant work and shut up.
Discuss the new screening system. Don't make fun of me because I have to work at night at the restaurant, Doug. Everybody's got to make a living, I'm
telling this story. You better be nice to me.
Okay, I'll tell you right now. I was in Olive Garden, which I never go to, by the way, but it's very good. I was in Olive Garden, and the waiter comes, and because I was being so nice, he goes, "You must work at a restaurant." And I say, "No, I don't." I say, "Actually, I'm a model." And he goes, "Oh, so you work at a restaurant?"
Because he thought, all models don't actually make a living.
So you know what I did?
All the actresses and everything,
so you know what I did? I had to pull out the black card when I paid for my food. I said, "Here's my black Amex."
Yes.
And he goes, "Oh, this is a special card, isn't it?" I said, "Yes, that is a special card."
This is a special card, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, getting back to how to make you money so you can get a black card. The Cheese Symphony under development for chlamydia and HPV testing, and the evolution of the company from life sciences to diagnostics.
Nifty, man. These guys are
You know that whole HPV vaccine and everything, they're really making a lot with these sexually transmitted diseases.
They're good for business.
Good for business. Kevin Horofsky, President and CEO... Was that supposed to be something for me? Oh, my goodness. You're horrible. You have a family audience out there.
I thought maybe you were getting commission.
Send some feedback about how we should find a new co-host for me. I think we're going to have a co-host contest. My new co-host. Kevin Horofsky, President and CEO of Caliper Life Sciences, or CALP, announces a next-generation genomics application which includes a molecular biology workstation, automated chip-based fractionation, and forensic applications, as well as the new iGel Vision, a wireless networkable palm-top molecular tester to use proven microfluidic technology for high-quality digital data and fast reaction time. They're really making a lot of improvements there. That sounds very, very, very precise.
Nifty stuff.
Stephen Fodor, Chairman and... Fodor, do you think he's the guy from the Chinese system? Okay.
He doubles with the guide. Yeah. He was bored.
Rating my restaurants. Chairman and CEO of Epigenetics, or AFFY.
Do you read that before you go to Olive Garden?
Yeah, I do. That was Michaela's idea, by the way. She talked to her about that. You're actually upsetting her. Announces a new opportunity in cytogenetics with the SNP 6.0 state-of-the-art cytogenetics tool. I just
I'm
had
pretty
the
sure
all-you-can-eat
Michaela
salad.
likes me more than you.
I had the all-you-can-eat salad at Olive Garden.
Yeah.
But their food's good. I just didn't. I was too full.
She actually paid for it when it comes for free, so they kind of gypped her.
She's pretty tight with money too. I don't know what happened. Were you drunk?
Well, I felt bad because we were the last table of the night, and I was just ordering a salad. So I figured, let me pay the $7.95 for the salad,
yeah. No, that's
so I could
nice.
give them a bigger tip. And then I ordered the most expensive glass of wine on the menu, which was $11.95. I was like, okay, what's the most expensive glass of wine that I can get, and the most and let me pay for the whole salad because this poor guy, this is his last table, and there was a wine,
He's
and
a
he
model
let us.
too.
Well, he was a nice guy. He let us in front of all the other people, so he took a risk, and he needs to make money. So
that was very nice.
I did it on purpose. Michaela didn't know the meaning behind me being okay with paying for the salad, but
no, that's very nice. You're very thoughtful like that.
I am.
Yes, you are.
It was his last table.
Cheers. I'd love to.
I care.
All right, where are we at? 9:45. We got to wrap up.
That is why I come
We got to
in
wrap
here
up. We got to
every
stay
day
under 10 minutes. Come
so
on,
I
come on,
can help
come
you
on.
make money in the stock market. You rush me through my thing. We're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us at www.wsnco.com. Thank you. Say goodbye, Doug.
Goodbye.